We fall, we rise, we fall, but we will rise again. I said we will rise again.
Boy, I'm some there. I'm just do my ear, you know. I want the little money. I want the little money for do my nails. Cause girl, I have to go out later and girl, I have to show out. But I don't know why. The boy Ricardo now answer him phone. Every time he promise my money, I just be a can. All him want do I grind me out. Be a can the boy can me. I don't know why Ricardo no stop can me. But one thing with Sean, you know, but I true me not really like Sean. But don't like Sean. Sean always give me the money when I ask him, but me not like him. You understand? I'm gonna call Sean still, no? But I want the money from Ricardo because I don't really like Sean. You see me? Although Sean I'm a real man. But Ricardo the side man, you know? Yeah. Why? I love my side man. Although sometimes take me for some year, my bella. Look how I go do my ear nice and want to go do my nails now. And the boy now answer him phone. I'm try call him again, yeah man. I try call the boy again. Hello? Why me I call you now answer? Every time if you give me the look of money I say you just go on like you want to can me out. You come over my house now? So why you never answer the phone when me I call you? But tell us I'm do my ear, I'm have to do my nails in a few hour time because I'm have to go to the party later on. Them must want food for eat too. Every time I ask if it's something you can me and you tie me out. And all you do you come for sex. You depend your way you come to my house. Alright, I go see. Because me can't have you as side man and you not contribute nothing to me. More than dick. That makes sense to me? No man, you have to do better. You have to do better else me have to go kick you to the curb. You know me not really like my husband. What you talk about? Me if you left him? Or me if you left him when you not step up a plate? The only thing me I get is ood. You have to step up your plate if you want me to left the man. I say you just go on. Actually, you know, say you have the good deal, you know. I say you go on. What? I saw the talk about you go cool me. You go cool me? But tell you, you know, your time I wind down, you know. Your time I wind down. Because enough man a road want me. You know my husband real annoying. So you say to come. You're 5 minutes from my house. Alright. Let me see. I want to see if you really come to my house. Alright then. When you come, I'll make sure so you hurry up, you know, and about tell me say the 5 minutes because you know some my husband they go come from work and he just pop up anytime. Alright. Hurry up and come, man. Just let me know when you're downstairs. Alright, cool. I'll just go like you want to come take me if I fall. Be a hood you give me. I just should because you're good, you know. Yeah, I saw no just take free per girl pitney. Cause I know I have the look of good hood. I know once I talk about the hood, we turn idiots. But it depends on where you come. Study you. Girl, I forget her nails done for go exotic Tuesday later. Because them have naughty and nice edition. take this thing far. For the nails, look my girl nails. Girl's nails rough. Like it passed through Hurricane Grace. Look how my nails look like Grace. Take off piece of it. Nah man, this one me. This is Kia at Girl Curry. Crazy. Boy, here they come. Door. Who that? You can't say who out there call me now. Who's knocking the door? Yo, my girl, me tell us I'm me out here. Open the door now. Oh. Open the door, man. Yo, mama. Yo, mama. Where you gone upstairs for? Oh, you must have got nice. You hear this something? Yeah. Where you gone for upstairs though? You don't know you're supposed to come greet man down here. You know your sexy lingerie and stuff like that. Sexy lingerie wear? You carry the money? That's all the talk about is front. Sexy lingerie wear. Like you carry money, come give me. Come on now. Yo, mama. Yo, mama. Yo, my girl, I can't be so I come for come look for you. I have to strip down your clothes and put on something nice for man. And you know I come for ram out or something. Every day the car call me, I beg me money, like if it's a money grow up and she and I have a husband to give you money. I mean a husband, my girl. If they are going like say me a husband. Eh? I mean your husband. Every minute I talk about money, like you take me for idiot. I think no girl I take my money go spend with them husband. You're crazy. I want you to take this thing for girl. Just take off your clothes and give me some of my work here, man. And I'm a feel to give you some after I give you some. Man, you're not an idiot girl, you know, man, a top man in the street, you know. You think man, I'm a rookie. I will take this thing for my girl. Caro, why you must stay so? Every time you come on my house, you don't mention husband, and now give me nothing. I mean, you give me husband stuff. You feel say you can just come and sex me out of my husband bed and my matrimonial bed at that. And now give me nothing. You feel that right? And so what if you have good dick? I don't care if you would good yes or no. Because that's the only thing I worry about. Oh, you would dick, get it good. And see, then now you stand up there and I say nothing. Because so you're going to load me up and I talk about take off clothes and all of them something there. Like that's the only thing you think about. I have to take off clothes as you come. The only reason why I take off the clothes is because you have the good odor. Yeah. Because you have the good odor, that's the only thing make me take off my clothes. Because you're not dealing with me right, you know. You're not dealing with me right. First you tell me say you want me left my husband, then you tell me a different story when you reach. It's like you're nice up my head, so when you reach my place, you can get where you want. You have to do better, man. You have to do better. But tell you, my girl, I be a chat off your mouth, you know. I be a chat off your mouth. You understand? Oh yeah, take off your clothes. You know what I like, man. You know what I like. Yeah. You know what I like, man. I'm going strip too. Yeah. You know, I come saga, yo. You know your husband can't do the work like me, you know. So I don't know you bother me about money for. He might give you the money and me I give you the good work. You bother me with money. You know your husband have money. Eh? And me I give you the good. Your husband can't give you that. So if you just take the good from me and start worry yourself about money. About money. If I want to give you money, I know if you give you money. But your husband have money, so I don't need to give you no money. But see, Lord, please have a nice. Yeah, mama. Yeah, girl. You go like saying you want to give man the front. Or you go on so. No, are you the one? You know where you the one so with me? Oh. Because you know you're something good, you know. And my husband can't do it like you. So that's why you have to stop ask man for money, man. You have to stop ask man for money, man. And just take what you get. Yeah. I like you want to take man for food and you have a husband. But why you talk so much and you dip on top of me? You better just come off of me and go on your yard, you know? Because I can't bother with this. Alright, I'm stopping eyes and give it to you. Okay, baby. Can you know something like when I give it to me? Oh yeah? You like it? So tell me if you like that. Oh. You like that? Yes, baby, I like it. Okay. I'm glad you enjoy it, you know. I'm glad you enjoy it. Yeah? I'm glad you enjoy it. Alright, me a come, you know. Me a come. Oh God, yes. I enjoy every bit of it. Ricardo, I love it. Yeah, I don't know say I love it, man. But know say I love it, you know. Juice bust up in a belly. But no call me name if you get pregnant, you know, you try, give it to your husband. If you get then the must that mother do. You think me an idiot? Mother give my husband if you breathe me, I gotta tell my husband say film baby. Oh, you have sense. You make sure that you do. I not lie, you know, I enjoy it, you know. But guess what, I go where you know. You see me? I have a work so I go mash on the road. I have to link up my dog them. You see me? Yeah. I'm not no money for you. You know I'm not give you my money. You know I'm not give no girl them my money we have them man. And you should have take your man money and not give me. Yeah. And you should have take your man money and not give bad man. Because I'm a service here, I make you feel good. Your husband not give them kind of service there. And me I feel give them service there. I will take this thing for. Yeah. I will take this thing for. So anyway me I go, me link you up when I want some more. You understand? Or you can call me if you feel like you want some good dick. You see me? Gone. See you just deal with me? You see how you just deal with me, Ricardo? You just come on my yard. And you just sex me out. You promise me the look of money for the nails. I tell you something I do with my ear. And you promise me the look of money for the nails. And you just do me up and do me up. And gone by your business. You know why me do this? Because I have my husband maybe can't work like you. But he does make sure some good. My husband does make sure some good. You understand? And me I make because of one little dick. Me I do this to myself. You know? Look how the boy just do me up. Look how the boy just do me up. Look how the boy just do me. Understand? You gotta look for me, nice, good me. And tell me, say, you not give me no money because me have my husband. And me, if you take my husband money, girl, the next time you come at me yard, me a grandma's zone you. Me a grandma's zone you. You understand? Me a grandma's zone you. Guys. I don't want to reach the end of the video. I don't want to reach the end of the video. I want to hold on to share the video. Make the video go viral, you know. I want to make the video go viral. I want to tag all of them big YouTubers there. I want to viral the video. I want to share it on the Facebook. I want to share it all about. I want to share the video here. I hope you learn something from it, you know. Guys, the moral of this story, long story short, don't make because of some D. Don't make because of some dick. You cheat by your good husband or because you feel like your next girl give you nice or better sex. It's not about the tightness or she might more freakier. You cheat by your wife. Because let me tell you this, man. it have some devils in a disguise, you know. And I want to give a shout out to the Innis family. The Innis family, big up yourself. Because last night I was on Innis family show and it was like, Corey, you know, say always full of vibes. Even when they come and other people they comment in the comment section. Big up everybody who did over the last night. I remember everybody at the moment. And I say, I think she named some C word. She named too. They must have always full of vibes and I should do skits and stuff. But I can do skits. So I tell them so I do skits on TikTok. You know, and them say, follow me and check me out and things. So big up myself in his family. Because I have it in me, but me just shy. I am shy. You see, I'm the woman, nobody not there but me and my grandmother. She in her own zone, me then I'm own zone, me can do it. Like, I'm afraid for. I am shy to do skit in front of people. You see, I do it and edit it and post it. That is different. But guys, I'm open to learn something from this. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And also, go over to Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Yes, guys, that's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. And I want to check out our channel. I want to show her some love and some support. Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. We want to check out our channel. We want to subscribe and make sure you know Life with Corey Goodas send no. Also, I want to go over to my next channel. Guys, yeah, that's C&G Daily Updates. Yes, people, C&G Daily Updates. Anyway, bye guys, I'm out.
When you're falling, the problem is when you fall and fail to rise. Because some of the most successful people on earth have a story. And when you hear some people's story, if you do hear some of them story, you would have more.